How to create a YouTube banner for your channel. To create a YouTube banner for your channel, you can follow these steps. Open a graphic design tool such as Adobe Photoshop or Canva. Choose the dimensions for your banner. YouTube recommends using a banner size of 2560 by 1440 pixels. Choose a background color or image for your banner. You can either select a solid color or use an image as the background. Add any graphics, text, or logos to your banner. You can use a variety of design elements such as shapes, icons, and fonts to create an eye-catching banner. Save your banner as a JPG or PNG file. Go to your YouTube channel's Customize Channel page and click on the Edit button next to the Channel Art section. Click on the Choose a File button to select your banner image from your computer. Adjust the cropping of your banner if necessary. YouTube will display a preview of how your banner will look on different devices, so you can make sure it looks good on all devices. Click on the Publish button to save your changes and set your new banner. Keep in mind that your banner should be visually appealing and representative of your brand or channel. You may want to experiment with different designs and layouts until you find a banner that works for you.